What is going on? Just some news on the crypto space, stock space. Robinhood plans Web3 crypto wallet for DeFi traders and NFT buyers. So basically, Robinhood is shifting its focus from just being laser focused on stocks to actually getting into the Web3 world. So it's getting into the DeFi NFT world. So Robinhood's new custodial wallet will cater to advanced crypto users and live separately from the existing wallet. So it'll be a totally different wallet, which would make sense. And I believe it's a totally separate app, which also would make sense. So it plans to roll out a new crypto wallet focused on decentralized finance by the end of 2022. Users of the entirely separate Web3 wallet will be able to lend, stake, yield, farm, and even buy NFTs, much as they might, with a MetaMask wallet. Those capabilities do not exist in Robinhood's earlier wallet. It was not immediately clear which blockchain the custodial wallet intends to support. So it looks like they're expanding. They'll be in like direct competition with Coinbase in terms of cryptocurrency. But this might be a good look. Overall for the company, since what happened with the whole GameStop situation and AMC and all of that, and Wall Street bets on Reddit. This might be a good look for them. They might be trying to get their customers back, because they lost a lot of customers due to what took place, which is I'll kind of summarize in a few. So the upcoming wallet, it begins testing in the summer. There's a waitlist open now. It's slated for direct competition with Coinbase own offering, with expanded features announced Monday. So yeah, like I said, this is basically going in direct competition with Coinbase. And this is just business. Business is business, right? Business is business. So what else we got here? Both investing giants are making it easier for crypto trading customers to actually deploy assets into DeFi without leaving their wallet ecosystems. Doing so could end up goosing DeFi protocols with a raft of new users. So a lot of people are going to start having their eyes towards DeFi, decentralized finance. Blah 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 blah. While Coinbase's Web3 wallet is integrated, Robinhood's is not. Robinhood Crypto Chief Technology Officer Johan Herbrat said the new wallet will specifically cater to users who seek advanced uses of crypto. We see this new product as a kind of brother for Web3, I guess, if that's your look on it. So going to CNBC to get some more information on what's going on. So basically, where was I looking earlier? So what they'll have available, the app will let users store NFTs and connect to NFT marketplaces and decentralized stock exchanges. It will also let users earn yield through other platforms and access a variety of crypto assets on other exchanges. Who holds or custodies someone's cryptocurrency has become a contentious question in the industry, fueling the viral phrase, "not your keys, not your coins," which I was talking about in the other video about Coinbase. If you don't have the private key to your wallet, you don't have full access to your wallet. You want to make sure you always have a cold physical wallet. and something like Ledger. You can get any wallet you want that fits your budget and that fits your specs, but get a physical wallet. As always, I have links in the description for you to look at, and you could choose from what you want to choose from. So like I was saying, just last year, I believe, Robinhood was going through hell with what took place when Wall Street bets and a lot of users were basically buying GameStop. So let's go back to what was going on. This is March 17, 2021, but I believe it happened before then. But so here is boom. So popular investing app Robinhood became the focus of the controversy after it decided to freeze trades for GameStop on January 28th, which is my birthday. Shares of the video game retailer spiked after traders on Reddit began frantically buying the company's stock. So traders on Reddit, not just Reddit, but mostly Reddit, they kept basically buying the stock. The stock kept shooting up. Stock is spiked, and the GameStop shares have since came crashing down, only to shoot up once again. Robinhood played a critical role when a group of Reddit posters saw an opportunity to make money while also giving a jab to Wall Street and hedge funds. So now what happened is everyone was basically buying, and they were making a lot of money. They had a lot of floating profits, because this is what took place. Robinhood made the surprise move to restrict buying GameStop, citing issues with volatile stock and regulatory requirements. Due to its part in the trading frenzy, Robinhood has been scrutinized by its users, regulators, and lawmakers. So it basically restricted individuals, from buying the stock, or not just that stock, but other stocks as well that users on Reddit were eyeing to kind of push up and get that money. But they said they had a reason for it. On the morning of the 28th, Robinhood posted a blog saying it was limiting users by preventing them from buying stocks from several companies. It cited market volatility as its reasoning and would only allow customers to sell their shares of these companies, not buy or trade in any other way. In light of recent volatility, we are restricting transactions for certain securities, position closings only, including, and that's basically all of the stocks that were being looked at on Reddit for them to push up. They were saying this is what happened. The company explained it was required to keep a substantial amount of money on hand in order to process all the trades happening through its clearinghouse, which is the part of the company that sends shares and money back and forth to other clearinghouses to complete trade. So they were basically saying that they're required to have enough money on hand for them to even be able to handle those orders. So they pretty much have to restrict the buys of specific stocks. So from that time, they lost a lot of users because a lot of people pretty much saw this as this not being fair, because they were basically using the same methods as other hedge funds, but being that they're not hedge funds and they're the little people, Robinhood basically stopped them from making that money. But back to what's going on, Robinhood plans on getting into Web3, NFT and DeFi, and this may boost their user their customer base a bit, or it may not. People might still not play with it. I personally, I don't too much trade on Robinhood, but you know, it is what it is, you know. So yeah, this was just some information that came in today, May 17th, 2022. And just a heads up, maybe you want to, you know, get on the train early. I'll leave a link in the description to what Robinhood's page, and you do whatever you want with it, right? And I'll also leave a link to cold physical wallets you may want to look into, because you don't want to have your assets only stored on these exchanges, because you never know what might happen, right? So that's about it. Big Fish FX. Let's get it, y'all. Let's see what this does for Robinhood stock. Let's see what it does within the NASDAQ. But let's go, y'all. Let's go. Let's make this money.